expose yourself to your deepest fear. After that, fear has no power over you. You're free. Many times people fear to face certain things in life simply because they have not yet touched into what that thing could be. Have you ever remembered a time when you could not try 2 multiplied by 3? Way back in P1 on us. And did you flash back at a time when you started your first English debate? In your P7? Or did you remember the time when you started the first presentation before many students at campus or at your university? All those moments you were fearing. But after you overcame the fear, then now as I talk, I believe you know that you no longer fear. No matter the situation you're in, what you really fear is what you must do. If you still stick to fearing what you fear, that thing will control you and will have power. When the Bible tells you to only fear God, which means you should fear nothing. So until you're done with your fear, it will rule you and you will not be free. But the moment you expose yourself to the deepest fear, it will have no power over you, and you will finally be free.